What is it? What is it, Bubba? A bicycle? Was he pretty surprised? I missed the face.
What's this? Bicycle.
Look! What kind of bicycle is that? A Lightning McQueen? Yes. Look. Yeah. That's your bicycle. Daddy, does it go any lower? The seat? Okay. Yeah, look at that. Watch out, brother's going to tip over on you.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at Conrad. Oh my gosh.
You ready to go?
You ready to go? Woo, got to put pedal.
Pedal this way.
Push down.
You push the pedals the other way, then it stops it. That's the brakes. You gotta go that way.